Hi everyone, I welcome you back to Silent Healing. I hope you guys are doing well. So, I just asked my spirit guides, I was asking them, praying to them that please convey some messages so that I can convey the same to my viewers. So, I get the same message again and again that your person has been, uh, it could be the case for a few of you that your person has abandoned you in the past. Yeah, a tingling effect in the nose, so that is a confirmation from my spirit guides that your person has somewhere abandoned you in the past. Maybe they have not, they have taken taken you for granted, or taken the love that you showered on them for granted, and their behavior is quite hot and cold with you, and they are giving you on and off energy as well in the connection, or even if you are friends, they are gifting you that even if you don't deserve that treatment. So I get the wheel card. So the wheel was not moving in your favor, you felt it is not gaining the momentum. So I get gaining the momentum now. Okay, the things are moving in your favor speedily, quickly, and the, the energy is gaining the momentum. Okay, it's moving quickly, quite fast. So I get fast movement of energies, fast change in their behavior, and they are going to, you know, turn towards you very soon. I also get some kind of, bangles or something is quite important for you, because I get a lot of pentacles. I get round, maybe a ring is important, bangles are important, a plate is important, maybe maybe they have a lot of things to tackle, they have a lot on their plate. Okay, and next also I have king of pentacles. So they have been observing you, they have been, admiring you, uh, they have been watching over you, they are keeping an eye on you, um, through their mutual friend, or maybe through your mutual friend. Okay, your or maybe a common friend, or maybe a person who is a good friend of yours, or a family friend, or something, somebody. Okay, or maybe it could be even through social media as well. They are keeping an eye on you, watching over you. Maybe you are doing the same, okay, for your person, because you are missing them now, and they have been appreciating you, like you are appreciating you from afar, like they are appreciating the fact that you have not left all that you love to do. Okay, like after they have abandoned you or left you, left your life for a certain period of time, you are not a person who would, leave their work, or maybe their passion, or stop following their passion, stop following what they love to do. So you are not somebody who would do that. So your person, or maybe you are appreciating those qualities of your person. So that is what I'm getting. And maybe wolf, divine wolf, you should try praying to divine wolf. He will help you get back your person and gain back the momentum, and to reignite the spark and fire again in the connection. The movement or pace is slow, but it is not the case where I don't see movements. Okay, because I get also fast movements, but the progress in the connection will be very slow, because I get pentacles. I get a lot of pentacles here. Again, we have this card here. We have a lot of pentacles here. So it would take some time, but they are coming back in your life quickly. Okay, so you need to have a talk. You can just, discuss things and just take it slowly. Okay, like take the connection slowly forward. So yeah, this is what I'm getting. And pray to wolf, he will build your intuition as well. The next card that we have is six of pentacles. Again, equal give and take. So you are a giver, or maybe your person is a giver. They keep on, keep on giving you a lot of things, that to, so as to make you happy, or maybe the things that you love. They know how to impress you. They know how to make you, not impress as in impress in a good way. Okay, and to, um, get back your attention, or maybe to invite you back in their life, and to also remind you that they do care and they do love you, they do care for you, and they are lovely person, they are a lovely person. I get, and they are very soft at heart. Okay, so somebody, if they are present in your life, then this could be a person if it's resonating with you. Okay, they are very soft by heart, because it's easy to, um, like convince them for something, or if after a fight, if you want to invite them back in your life, or maybe talk to them again, They are not somebody who would, ignore you or avoid you for hours after the fights, but they would just forgive you quickly, and they would say sorry, or maybe they would apologize for the mistakes they have made, and they would not let ego win, or maybe pride let in the way. So they are a beautiful person inside out, okay? So you are admiring their beauty, your person is admiring your beauty, okay, your physical as well as your inner beauty. Okay, so the next card we have is Queen of Pentacles. We have King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, divine feminine, masculine energy in the connection. So there is the balance coming back in your life, back in the connection as well. The balance that you lost, okay, and the moment you look away, sorry, I said lock, maybe they have locked doors for you. So in the connection, because they were not wanting to invite you because of some issues, but now they are ready to, because the moment you looked away, that was what I was saying. The moment you looked away, you started focusing on your life, and you started focusing on you. You started showing them that it's enough from my side, now it's your turn, okay? So the moment you did that, they started realizing your worth, they started realizing their mistakes as well. They are wanting you back, they are wanting you back in your life, and they are wanting to make efforts as well. But for now, I get that your person is keeping an eye on you, watching you from afar, and they will be coming back to you, because the energy is gaining momentum, the moments are faster, but the progress that you are wanting in the connection, it will be somewhere slow. So be patient with the same, okay? Don't rush things. It is your person, okay? Nobody is going to snatch them away from you, but let it be slow, okay? Go with the flow and let it be slow. If they are wanting to take it slow, then please cooperate with them, okay? Because we have the equal give and take. So as much as you give, you can expect that much from them as well. So try to understand their situation, their point of view, their perspective as well. Don't judge only, okay? So yeah, they are admiring you. Beautiful energy. We have both king and a queen in the uh, deck, I mean the reading, fine. So they are also wanting to treat you as a queen, or maybe or a king, okay? This is not a gender based reading, but take it as it resonates. Next we have is two of pentacles. Somewhere you are uh, in an energy where you are not sure whether to invite them back in your life, what to do, what not to do. But don't worry, just listen to your intuition, build your intuition with the help of divine wolf. If you are believing in him, if you believe in him, pray to wolf. And you are also, I get, you are working on your peace, on your inner peace, okay? You somewhere went into hermit mode, okay? You are not ready to react, you are not ready to take steps, you are just focusing on your spiritual journey. It could be you or your person, okay? Take it as it resonates. Again and again I'm saying, so it could be you or your person, okay? Or maybe both of you as well. So you guys were not in connection due to the hermit mode that hit your life. Like your person went silent, they gifted you with the silent treatment, and they did not want to react to anything or respond to your messages or texts or calls. But now I get they are coming back, and going to call you soon, going to text you soon. So that is what I get. Within 10 hours I get 10 minutes, 10 hours. So you just need to focus on your inner self and just build your intuition power stronger, and ask your spirit guides to guide you in this journey, because you are supposed to be patient, very patient, I see. Next one is page of pentacles, sorry, page of wands. So wands is fire energy. Your person is the fire is reignited, okay, in your person, and while you are just focusing on your happiness, on yourself, and you are celebrating yourself, you are enjoying your own company, you are no more feeling lonely without your person, you are just enjoying being alone. So that is the difference between um, enjoying your company, being alone, or feeling lonely without your person. So this is a lovely energy, and what else to say? So the hermit mode is going awake, okay, as you are moving towards your spiritual journey. You are just focusing on spiritual journey. Even you watch my tarot reading, so that is also somewhere it's connecting you to the spiritual world. Okay, so yeah, this was your reading. These were your messages. I hope you resonated with them well, with your situation or with your person or connection. With, you resonated it with well. And We'll meet soon with another reading, beautiful reading tomorrow. Till then, stay blessed, take care. Thank you so much.